Okay, welcome to a new video. We're back at home. I'm trying my best to do
It's cute instead of good. Good slay. Look at my eyebrows when you see them above. It's like,
We're at Main Street. We're going to pick up the birthday gifts for tomorrow.
How's that? Wait.
It's not late, it's just like 6 o'clock, but daylight savings. At least the weather has calmed down. Like it's actually like the weather is better. But anyway, welcome to a new video, and you guys come along. We just got home. We're in the kids' bedroom. Look at how perfect that rug that I showed you in the previous vlog fits. These are like my kids' beds. They used to be like bunk beds, but then we took them down. How perfect. I was like, God is so intentional. Like, wow. So stunning. Anyway, we're home. I'm just having a casual snack, and then I'll show you guys all the gifts we got. We're likely gonna put our tree up tonight as well, so that's gonna be fun. Okay, welcome to a new video. We're back at home. I'm trying my best to do everything. For some reason I decided that tonight is the night we're gonna put up the tree. So we have the tree, but we don't have the decorations. I don't know where they are. I just have an idea. I think they might be in the suitcases in my linen cupboard. So dinner, because the kids went to get their teeth cleaned, and they got like a checkup. The dentist and the hygienist recommended that the kids need to not have crunchy food, but something soft and simple. If I didn't mention, I'm feeling a lot better, by the way. I know, like in my previous vlog I wasn't like feeling so good. I'm feeling a little bit better, just a little, but I think it's because I'm busy, so I really don't have time to sit and talk about my feelings. So I made alfaghetti. It's just like a soup. It's a soup. I'll show you the container. It's a soup that has, well, I just put the toast in. They're gonna have it with toast. It's like a soup with alphabet letters. So we also got groceries from the shelter. We got the gifts for the kiddos having birthdays tomorrow. So let me get the grocery bags and bring them close. Guys, I'm not tired. I just need to shower and find the ingredients. Not the ingredients, the decorations. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. And here. Okay. Groceries. Mr. Noodle. We got Mr. Noodle, cup of noodles. Hungry Helper. I've heard about Hungry Helper, so I'm excited to try it. That's Hungry Helper. It's just like noodles. 2, 3. Another Mr. Noodles. Mr. Noodles. Mr. Noodles. Paper towel. Syrup for breakfast and pancakes. I'm hurrying up because I need to shower and I need to look for the decorations. Another vegetable. Toast is ready. Milk frozen. I'll thaw this tonight. So there we have the toast. And then here we have the alfaghetti. So you see, those are like alphabet letters. Guys, wait. I'm with Heidi. Helen is out with her friend for a little bit. She's at a friend's place to finalize, I think, her birthday party. So, grocery haul. I was like, what were we doing, by the way? These are chicken, popcorn chicken. I probably should have put this in the oven. I think I'll do that right now. Half a cheese. This is old cheese, cheddar. Toilet paper, So that's double the dose of toilet paper. I like that brand. It's really, really good. Yeah, I'm just trying to get things together. This is the alphagetti I was speaking about. So that's what I made for the girls tonight. That's what they wanted anyway.
Guess what?
Chicken broth.
All the letters of the alphabet.
Good. Now, can you eat whilst it's still warm? Get a spoon if you need one. Strawberry jam. The brand is Dora.
I don't like Dora.
Okay. Mayonnaise.
I do like the person Dora.
Okay.
I mean the show Dora.
Okay. So at this point, I'll be living in a bonnet until I get my hair done. Beef meatballs. They had pork, but I was just like, I'll stick to beef. And then this is ground beef. We have some broccoli. There we go. And then I got some chicken drumsticks. I don't know where I'm gonna pack all this in my fridge. If you guys know the story about my fridge, you know there's not much space because we have a lot of smoothie stuff in there. Mini wheats. If you guys remember a vlog that I did on these, love them so much. Got Fruit Loops. Love Fruit Loops. Got some white paper, bond paper for the girls, print paper for them to write whatever they want. Really planning to go to Staples for that, to which I was gonna pay $7. This is minestrone. It's just a soup, Tuscan style. And then we have some cinnamon crunch cereal. Oh, Hungry Helpers. I got 4 Hungry Helpers. And then we got some goodies. These are more of like hair. So there's shea butter, facial mask, there's deodorant, toothpaste, Sensodyne, I see shampoo, toothpaste. Deodorant is like what you put on your armpits. I'm not sure what this is. Shampoo, avocado with jojoba oil. So she just packed like a goodie bag for me. What is this? Shower gel. Can't really smell it, but this is from Lush berry shower gel. And then lips, nail polish, keratin smooth, conditioner. And then what is this? Gingerbread lip scrub. Ooh, that's pretty cool. And a face mask. And I told you guys, my deodorant and Sensodyne and African black soap and a toothbrush. So that's it. Let's get to the gifts. I am so hungry. I hope we'll get a chance to eat. So I thought, let me flip the camera. So this is one of the gifts. It's just like a rainbow marshmallow, squishmallow. That's what they call them. This is a glitter gift. So that's pretty much what they do to make, if you guys can see right here. And then this is like a painting gift. That's the front. And then this is a notepad, a giant like sketchbook, actually, not a notepad. And then this is a Barbie doll set. Yeah, and we have Monopoly, to which we also have Monopoly. So I don't know how we're gonna navigate that. Anyway, the kids had this for lunch today. They were given pineapple, carrot, and some veggie pizza. Anyway, that's my water bottle, groceries. This is a stuffed elephant, and then we have this mini something. The girls would know, honestly. I've got a candy cane. This is beautiful. It's a pen. It's so gorgeous. That's so pretty. And then I think there's a nail kit. Oh my gosh, so stunning. I was actually thinking about this yesterday. Got some pencils, and I think this is a jewelry. Ooh, a bracelet. And I think there's nail polish at the bottom. And then that's it, guys. That is everything for the gift. So I'll just put them somewhere. And yeah. Tell me why I'm in such a rush. I want to go bath. So Barbie doll. That's a Barbie doll. But this one, she has like a different leg, if you can tell. And then we have, I don't know what this is. How to become an amazing magician. Da-da. And then this is a blow pen art. I don't even know how all of this works, but we have very thankful and grateful. I'll need to look and see if we have wrapping paper because I'm not too sure. I was cleaning the table with all-purpose cleaner. Yeah, that's it. I can go now. Okay, I think we found some decorations. So let me get them out and go take a quick shower before we get started. But I can look to see what it's about.
You have a coin. It only needs a coin.
I just want to read how much coins they need. 25 cents?
One coin.
Well, I don't know how it works. Cool. What is that?
It's a fish.
Gonna get one for her, Helen?
Oh, okay. I need another coin.
Uh-oh. I'm trying to vlog you here. Good job. How did you know how to do that? Ooh, careful. How did you know?
I don't know. I just see people, sister.
Okay, I'm vlogging. Oh my god. Got it?
The same thing.
Really? Where's yours?
Okay.
Okay, don't lose it. I put Helen's in here. That is so cool. I'll show her what it was. Guys, I look all sorts of things. It's a Sunday. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. I'm with the kids this weekend. It's mom weekend, so that's why I'm not showing my face here. The tree's up. What? Anyway, we'll get into all that. We just got back home. We went out to play at the playground for a little bit. The weekend has been good. Just a tiny recap. It's been good. You guys, you will know everything else. But I just wanted to pop in very quickly. It's a sunny day, so that's nice. It's a busy weekend. It's pretty much trying to get my life back together. Laundry, cleaning, laundry, like tons and tons of laundry ironing. But thankfully, I have some, like, there's good content for me to watch online, so that'll keep me busy. The kids are playing outside with their friends for now. So I did a very impromptu grocery shopping today, just because I need laundry detergent. So I just got a few other items on top. This groceries cost me about $50. So Walmart, I need to get chocolate milk for the kids. It expires December 18th, so that's good. So we're covered for the next 2 weeks at least. And then December 18th, I got some Farmers 2%, and then this is Scotsburn 1% chocolate milk, and then these groceries were delivered like just now. That's why I also bought these, so that I don't Uber and everything. Been trying to carry less. I'm definitely gonna top up on taco stuff. So finally, they had these actually on sale. I wish I had gotten like 4 boxes, but it's fine. They always restock. So I got 2 cheesy blasted taco shells. These are 20 of them, so yummy. Although today I feel like having because of the parties and everything that happened this weekend, we've been ordering. So I think I'd really love like a nice home cooked meal if I get the time to prepare it, because I'm trying to catch up with everything else. And also I got the Lysol. I appreciate that they actually pack it separately. So this is the Lysol. I have to open it because we don't have any more. We're running out. This is a toilet cleaner, so I needed that for my bathroom. So we got some toilet cleaner that should last me quite a while. It doesn't go by so fast. And then they also packed my laundry detergent. So I'm supposed to do, the expectation is that I can do like 100 loads with this one. So also, let me just tell you this. I placed an order on Shein after like maybe a year. No, not a year. Maybe like 8 months or so. So we're expecting some stuff within a week or 2 weeks time. And I opted for express shipping. I don't know how that's gonna work because Canada Post is still on strike. So I don't know. Maybe it's a different delivery company will do that, bring with the items. But then one of the kids' Christmas dresses sold out. So I ended up not getting any. So that's what I'm just contemplating on this afternoon. Like, do I still want to get Christmas dresses, Christmas outfits, or do I just want to like let that go? It's just a day, right? And half of the day they're not with me anyway. They're going to be away. So it's just kind of like, I don't know. We'll see. So Tide, I just decided to get this one because Tide is really good anyway with stains. So budget friendly. So yeah, that will carry my next couple of loads of laundry today, and then that's it. It's just a nice nice weekend. It's been such a beautiful weekend, and I'm just thankful for just a lot, not a lot, but just a few quiet things happening in the background. You know, sometimes it's so easy to feel like everybody should be in the loop, everybody should know what's happening, like everybody should know. Sometimes not so much. Like there's beauty in also just kind of like doing life and living it and just being in your own bubble. So that's pretty much this weekend. It's been such a beautiful bubble, a very sweet bubble. It was beautiful just setting up the tree, getting together, spending time again on Saturday, spending time as a family this entire weekend. It's been lovely, and I'm so thankful to God for that. Yeah. So anyway, guys, let me carry on with my tasks. It's 3 o'clock now, so in an hour, like, the sun will be going down. And my delivery came super early. I opted for 3 to 4 o'clock. I paid like about $5 for delivery, so that's pretty good. It's pretty good. Compared if I had taken an Uber, I'd have paid like I'd have paid like almost close to $15 including tax. So I think I kind of saved. So anyway, we'll talk soon. I'm excited to see you guys, well, in this vlog. Yeah, that'll be the new vlog. So yeah, enjoy your vlog, guys. Let me go. Bye. Guys, today is, what's the date? The 8th, the 9th.
I thought they were meta glasses.
Helen. She says, I thought those were meta glasses. No, these are Shein glasses. They're like clear glasses. And I thought, let me try them but there's an aesthetic that I'm going for, and I'll do it once I get my hair done. Anyway, my daughter's not feeling well. Heidi, we're home. We're likely gonna go to the hospital within the next hour. She has a stomach ache. We've already contacted 811, spoke with the nurse. Not the Monday I was expecting, but yeah, yet again my kids are back home from a weekend, a parenting weekend, and they are sick again. This is like the third time. So of course I think there's just something that needs to switch up a little there. Don't mind my hair, don't mind if you see what's in my kitchen. It's a lot, but yeah, these glasses will make sense once I get the hairstyle I'm planning to get for around Christmas time. What? Alien.
Lazy cat.
Be prepared to be squished. Anyway, that's
Yeah. Outfit idea. In case this makes it to our
Do you
vlog.
like it, Mom?
Yes, it's pretty gorgeous. So, I was saying, I just took a shower, by the way, just in case this makes it to the vlog. This is what I was talking about. Look at how the look just elevates. We'll get into the details another day, but see what I was talking about? Like, it just elevates my look, my bag, I'm here to show you like some of these things. I got a crop jacket, and right now I'm wearing like, there we go. It's giving. And now I'm like, should I order more wigs? Because I actually like this look. Anyway, I have cornrows underneath, but it's a look. Okay. Summer. I know we haven't even started winter, but I'm like, get me to summer. Bye, guys.
How to keep the human. Guys, I'm going to work in the snow.